Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a mind-blowing discovery that's got astronomers buzzing with excitement. Imagine two planets crashing into each other around a nearby star, creating a cosmic spectacle that's rarely witnessed. This isn't your average star flickering, it's a sign of a major planetary collision, and it's got scientists in a frenzy. I recently stumbled upon a fascinating story about a star named Gaia 20X, located a staggering 11,000 light-years away in the constellation Puppis. What makes this star so intriguing is its bizarre behavior. Instead of the steady, predictable light we expect from a sun-like star, Gaia 20X started acting erratically, with its light flickering in and out. This wasn't your typical star acting up, it was a clear sign of something extraordinary happening. Enter Anastasios, Tzanidakis, a graduate student at the University of Washington, who was sifting through old telescope data. While most stars remain relatively stable, Gaia 20X behavior was anything but. Tzanidakis noticed three distinct dips in brightness, followed by a complete meltdown around 2021. As he puts it, stars like our sun don't do that. This sparked his curiosity, and he and his team delved deeper. What they discovered was mind-blowing. Gaia 20X erratic behavior wasn't due to the star itself, it was the result of a planetary collision. Massive chunks of planets were flying around, blocking the star's light from reaching our telescopes. But here's the cool part, the infrared light curve revealed something even more fascinating. As the visible light flickered, the infrared light spiked, indicating that the material blocking the star was incredibly hot. Tzanidakis explains that this heat could be attributed to the collision, producing enough infrared energy to explain the star's behavior. The team concluded that the flickering was caused by a series of grazing impacts followed by a catastrophic collision, creating a massive amount of debris and heat. Planetary collisions are common in the cosmos, but observing them from Earth is a challenge. The debris must pass directly between us and the star, blocking some of its light, and the dimming can take years to notice. However, Tzanidakis and his team's patience paid off, and they made this extraordinary discovery. The implications of this finding are huge. By studying this collision, we can learn more about the formation of our own planet and moon. As Tzanidakis notes, this event bears striking similarities to the impact that shaped Earth. If we can observe more such collisions in the galaxy, it could revolutionize our understanding of planetary formation. In my opinion, this discovery highlights the incredible patience and dedication of astronomers like Tzanidakis. By sifting through decades of data, they uncover phenomena that play out over years, even decades. It's a testament to the power of persistence in science. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what other secrets we'll uncover. So, there you have it, folks. A planetary collision around a nearby star, witnessed by astronomers with their keen eyes and patience. It's a reminder that the universe is full of wonders, and we're only beginning to scratch the surface. Stay curious, and keep exploring the vastness of space.